Here are some tips for off-roading adventures. Welcome to the thrilling world of off-roading. For those who crave adrenaline, nothing beats the challenge and excitement of navigating your way through rough terrain. It's not just a ride, it's an adventure. Before you embark, equip your vehicle with all the necessary gear. Sturdy tires, high ground clearance, and four-wheel drive are crucial. Remember, preparation is key to conquering any terrain. It's important to know your vehicle's limitations. Don't push it too hard or too fast. Start slow and learn how it responds. Each journey is a lesson in patience, resilience, and control. Off-roading is not a solo sport. Always have a buddy system in place. This ensures safety and assistance when needed. Plus, it's always more fun with a friend. Learn to read the terrain. Mud, sand, rocks, each presents unique challenges. Understand what lies ahead and plan your path accordingly. Remember, off-roading is about skill, not speed. Also, always respect the environment. Tread lightly, leaving no trace behind. We're here to enjoy nature, not destroy it. Preserving our trails ensures future off-roading adventures for everyone. Finally, always be prepared for emergencies. Carry a first aid kit, fire extinguisher, and recovery gear. You never know what might happen, and it's better to be safe than sorry. Off-roading is an unforgettable journey, filled with breathtaking scenery, heart-pounding challenges, and the pure joy of conquering the unbeaten path. With the right preparation and respect for the environment, it's an adventure of a lifetime. Remember, in off-roading, the journey is the destination. So gear up, buckle in, and let the adventure begin.